Hey guys, welcome back to My Homestead Education. If you recall, in part 1 we started some seeds on some styrofoam plates, and now we're going to show you the results. We're a little bit, let's see, we're about 3 days further than what I wanted to, so it's been about 2.5 weeks, and here's the results. Alright, when we did our plates, we took several of them and we put them in a plastic container. This is a labels container from printing out our seed pack labels. We're very excited about our results so far. So let's see here what we got. Let me put my cheaters on. These are the peas, the Oregon pod 2 sweet peas. Look at that. This is pretty much worthless, but look at that. That is absolutely amazing. These are 10 or 12-year-old pea seeds, and they are blooming, germinating like crazy. This is exciting to me, very exciting that I have these peas. Now, they're not all of them sprouted. There's one that'll just be rotten, but I mean there are few and far between. There's another one that I found. Most of these, I would venture to say well over 90% of these are sprouted. I think I can see 2 or 3 others, but they're all bound up by other roots in the system here. This is one that looks like it's starting to sprout. But that's quite exciting to see that many sprouts in these 12-year-old peas that, quite frankly, I wasn't sure how they were going to do the year after. Next we have, I believe, this is the Roma paste. I was hoping for 1 to 3 seeds to sprout. That would give me a very low germination rate. Look at that. They are sprouting like crazy. That's got to be 60-70%. 12-year-old tomato seeds sprouting up everywhere. Absolutely wonderful news. I am so excited. Like I said, I was hoping for 1 or 2. I've got well over 100, maybe more, closer to 150 or 200 here, of Roma paste tomato seeds. Wow, they're just falling out all over the place. Alright, now this one, our house where we kept these has not been really all that warm, so I'm still going to give these some time. Pepper seeds like it a little bit warmer than what we've had this in the last 2 weeks. I'm not seeing any tails or anything yet, but that doesn't mean that they won't sprout. I don't see them rotting. It does look like they could be viable seeds. They're swelling up. It looks like some of these, if you look really close, like there may be a tail getting ready to pop out of there, but I can't see it yet. So if they come through, I'll show an update on that. But these are those little peppers I had stored back from 2010. And this is our dill. Look at that. 12-year-old dill seeds, and they are just exploding in growth. They're yellow because they haven't seen any light. They've been on the bottom here, but that is fantastic. You can see there's a lot of it that didn't sprout, but there's an awful lot that did. And we've got a lot of these seeds, so we will be planting them out. Look at that. Roots, they're growing very well. Very exciting. So as you can see, 3 out of 4 so far have very high germination rates. Remember, we didn't do anything special. We didn't have some nitrogen or anything to fast freeze these or any kind. We didn't put any kind of oxygen packs in. They were in glass jars. The peas were in a plastic bag, a sandwich bag with a label, you know, we wrote on the bag. And we had them in a fairly cool, dark, dry place for the last 10 to 12 years. In fact, I know a lot of these just sat in my shop in the basement for probably 6 or 7 years, and I came across them behind a bunch of tools, and I brought them up and put them with all of our other seeds that we had from years ago. So if you have old seeds, try to germinate them before you throw them out. You may have yourself a nice little bank of seeds there. If you'll stay tuned throughout this season, probably over the next several years, hopefully, but we're going to start showing you not just how to start and plant and take care of your fruits and your vegetables. We're gonna show you at least how different methods we've either found or that we're trying out on how to preserve them and how to save your own seeds. We have a seed company. We sell seeds for a living. I know it is not the best idea for a lot of seed companies to go out and teach people how to save their seeds, but the heart of the reason why we do what we do, the reason we got into selling seeds, is so we had an opportunity to sell large collections at affordable prices so everybody can get their hands on a lot of seeds and put them back or use them. And we also want you to learn how to save your seeds. We're very excited about moving forward. I'm very, very excited about how many of these old, decade-plus old seeds have sprouted. And we will be planting out a lot of these seeds in our garden this year, and once again collecting the fruit of those seeds and start our third generation over a decade apart from its original parent seed. So I want to thank you. Sorry the first one was so long. Maybe I should have gone in. I didn't even realize till it was already uploaded that it was 25 minutes long. But hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Please check us out over at clearwatervalleyfarms.com. The link is in the description below. You can also check me out over at Patreon. We're starting to try to get that built up and have special content for our patrons and free giveaways every month or every quarter. We're going to be giving away seeds and giving away elderberry kits and all of that. So please stay tuned. Check out more videos. We'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.